Hey, welcome. Today we're going to learn about an easy way to start building wealth on Curl and Cash while I curl my hair, chat with you. Today I'm so excited to share this with you because you can get more info in my book, She Grows Rich. There's a chapter 11 is called Conquer the Market. And it's a whole chapter. You don't even have to read the book. Just go to chapter 11 and you can learn exactly how to start investing in mutual funds without a financial advisor. I've never had a financial advisor. I've built my wealth to multi-seven figures, all on my own, investing in mutual funds and then real estate. But I started with mutual funds. So it's such an easy way to begin starting to build your wealth. And I started with $50 a month way back in my late 20s. And it was like a muscle. I just slowly grew that over time. Then when I had enough for like a down payment on a, rental property, I would use that. New house was first and then rental properties. And then, it just gets to expand and spiral from there. But it all starts with one little action, and that's understanding how to start investing on your own. And it's a lot easier than most people think. I first learned from a Money magazine article when I was standing in the checkout, and I saw this couple who invested $100 a month, and in 20 years they had $100,000. And back then, that was like winning the lottery to me. I was like, holy shit. And then I immediately bought that magazine, and in that magazine it told me how to do it, how to start investing in mutual funds. I didn't even know what a mutual fund was back then, and didn't for a few years. What a mutual fund is it's a conglomerate. Hey there, welcome. A mutual fund is a conglomerate of people. Not people. I'm like still waking up this morning. A conglomerate of companies that you have what's called a fund manager. And the fund manager picks these companies and creates a mutual fund. So you have a professional picking the companies in this mutual fund. It's not like a direct stock. And if one company takes a crap, you don't lose all your money, right? And it just barely affects the mutual fund. And usually you have professionals that understand how to look at financials and understand how to value a company and all of that. So there are, easy ways to invest in mutual funds. And in my book, again, She Grows Rich, I talk about a couple different companies you can start with, exactly how to do it, exactly what to look at before you invest, because it was important to me to share this information with people, because although I read that Money magazine article years and years ago, that was gone. It wasn't a book, right? I saw that article, I grabbed it, I never saved it. To this day, I wish I would have saved it. I don't even know the year it was published. I was like, I wish I had that article because it changed my life. And I wanted to write a chapter. People pay thousands of dollars for courses that I have everything in this book and then some in investing. So I've seen courses out there that are like $2,000 to learn how to invest. And you just need to buy my book because it's in chapter 11 and you could do it all yourself and it's so easy. So I would love to hear if you already invest in mutual funds or if you're going to start investing in mutual funds today, what your experience has been with it. and thank you for joining me here on Wealthy Wednesday, and let's start investing and start building your wealth. See you tomorrow.